Yes, last time we made a system for being able to create um, sticks, which are the first item that's not a block we've made. Um, so we have sticks. Now we're going to take it the next step and make other items, um, which you will be able to make from a crafting table. So Um, I also might get into making some stats and making them functional, but at the very least, we will make them actual things you can just get. So I think I'll just do probably just wood item sticks. I don't have any metal yet, um, but yeah, we'll go from there. I will. Let's get into it. So I started by making the art for the pickaxe or a wooden pickaxe, a wooden shovel, and a wooden sword. After that, I programmed the code for the crafting table grid, which is a lot like the code for the 2x2 crafting grid, so I'm not going to show you that in their actual speed, so I just sped them all up. For all that coding, um, finally test to see if we are going to be able to get ourselves a pickaxe. I don't know if it's going to work. I don't see any reason it shouldn't. I don't think I forgot anything, but we'll see. So first thing you have to do, obviously, there's something weird. Um, yeah, I don't think. Okay, so this is from the crafting table grid that exists. I don't. Yeah, I'm gonna check something quick. After some more tweaks to the code, I might have it working. I added a check to make sure. It's only going to ever. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that works. We have ourselves a crafting table. Now I'm gonna make myself some. That was strange. Oh yeah, that makes sense. So then I need some more planks to actually make a thing. So I make ourselves some sticks then. Put those there. And then I only have two more, so oh no. Oh, we need some planks to get that working, so I'm going to stick my crafting table right here, and then I'm gonna go have some more planks because that should be enough. And then myself some more planks. There, we have enough planks, ideally, to craft something. Now, check this out. Ideally, what will happen is if I open my inventory with this pointed at that block, it should open up the crafting table grid, and then you can make a pickaxe or a sword or something. So, neat. It works! Okay, look at that, the crafting table. Okay, now, if we do this... Okay, that does not work. That does not work, but it does open that. Okay. Yeah, I gotta figure that out. Got it open, which is good. But, yeah. So I want to do some work to figure that out quick. See you guys in a minute. Yeah, we got another attempt here. It's just setting it as children of the other thing, which is a mistake, but it's not. That's fine. So actually, we need more than that, don't we? Okay. So have blocks. Make a crafting table. Okay, now that we have both things, put crafting table there. Then we're gonna open inventory. Okay, why is that all tilted to? I don't know. Weird. Okay. Then it's not doing. Oh, it is. What? Strange. Just not working. Okay. Well, I'll get back to you guys once I try to figure this out. It was that this was that it was putting the things on this mini grid behind there. So so I fixed that by adding a check in there, and then hopefully that should solve it. Something more. Yeah, something more. With this. Something more. That's not a whole crafting one. Okay, so then open the crafter. There we go. So what if we put? There we go. It's don't have enough, do we? Fine. Wonderful. I gotta make some more planks. There we go. Enter crafting grid. Oh, come on. It's not. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me now? I don't get this at all. Okay, I mean. Yeah, this makes no sense. I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is actually. Did I create an infinite planks glitch? I might have. No, I didn't. I did, but. Okay. Yeah. So I gotta fix that. See you guys in a minute. I think this should probably work, hopefully. But you know, that was testing stuff recording, but that was yeah, it was just recording. Yeah, this is first thing I'm working. 6 and then make some more points. Okay. Oh, there's something here. I don't know what that is, but it looks like you can make things. And look at that, we have ourselves a pickaxe. Now, does that? It's not obviously going to do anything, but can chuck it. Look at that. And grab it. Yes, you can. Wonderful. Now a pickaxe. I'm going to try making a sword or a shovel, and see if that gives us this. I believe a sword is like this. Look at that. Oh. Come on. Okay. Oh, that's also a pickaxe. Did you get a sword there? No, turn it. Interesting. And then last thing I believe is a. Oh, you can. Okay. Well, clear it. Nice. So that was another thing I did. If you run out of a thing, it goes back into your inventory instead of just losing it. So we gotta make some more sticks for this. And then I don't know why that's there. But, then a shovel is like this. Wonderful. And then can you make yourself a shovel? No, that's a sword. What? Okay, I'll fix that. But yeah, so they basically work except for that one little error, which I will fix. Okay, guys, I finally made it so that you can. It finally works. So I did a bunch of tweakings of code. I also just fixed some bugs I discovered earlier. But the yeah. And we can like craft everything we need to craft. So right, not everything we need to craft, but can make ourselves a pickaxe. That can make ourselves a sword and a shovel. And then I had a weird issue. I don't remember if I showed you, but where they all like place the wrong one. I solved that too. So yeah, we got those 3 items. Next thing I'm gonna do is make them functional for mining, and then also make it so you can't mine without the right tools. Anyhow, so I propose to do this by adding 2 more variables to this. So we're gonna have a public integer of we're gonna call it minimum mining power. Sure. We're gonna call it another one, just mining. So this is gonna be for and then in the player controller, when we're breaking a block, this is for breaking. Where's breaking? Okay, this looks like it's it. If chunk equals no. Okay, so I think this is here. And block data dot stats. So this is for the statistics of the blocks on index. I think it might be that. is greater than the chunk block. And then chunk dot block grid on block dot x block dot y block dot z. Make that an integer then. No. Chunk. Oh no, so it also needs to be block data dot stats. Block data dot stats on this. Make it an integer then. 90. There we go. Dot min mining power. And this is dot mining. So I think index is, yeah, I think that's right. This should only, let's see, if hit timer yeah, you can just crank up as high as it wants. And okay, I think that should work. And then we need, actually it needs to be greater than or equal to. That's important, so that'll be like nothing. Yeah. And then I'm going to create insert values for all those. Yep, 0 and 0. That's good. Dirt. We need 1. Or not 2. I think. Actually, can we just use the durability for that? We might be able to. But for now, we can just grass and dirt are the same. Trunk durability. Mining can be 1, sure. Minimum mining power. You need. Yeah, actually, we can just use durability, so I'm going to get rid of that. Minimum mining power. It's just going to be durability. Sorry about that. Okay, so then go to it right here. Yes. So this is going to be JS durability then. And then I think we're also going to subtract mining. Instead of minus minus, so if mining hit timer plus equals, actually, block data dot stats. We might be able to, yeah, improve this later, but block data dot stats on index dot mining. So yeah, this will be the thing's mining power. So they all have durabilities. Now we need to adjust mining powers for different things. So stone, 0 mining power, grass, 0 mining power. You can do a little bit of mining with the trunk. Leaf, abilities. Okay. Mining, 0 mining power. Planks, give that 1. Crafting table, got 1 if you want, I guess. Sand, 0 mining power, that's good. Stick, it's 1. A wooden pickaxe. Let's say its mining power is 5. There we go. Wood sword, its mining power is going to be, say, 3. Or I might get 2, I don't know, but and then a shovel will be 3. I think that should work. Then ideally, if this works, we won't be able to just mine the ground. So, just with our bare hands. It's not doing anything, I'm clicking. Good. Okay. Then, if you create a pickaxe, you should be able to mine the ground. I see, we do need a minimum mining power. Yeah, because you should be able to break those. Nothing is 0, so actually I won't be able to break anything that way. Yeah, so we do need the minimum mining power. Yeah, so actually we do need, yeah. Public int min mining power. So yeah, it's the minimum amount we need to break the block. And then, yeah, we're gonna click actually, yeah. Min minus, yeah. So now let's check if it's above that. And then instead of doing this, because hit timer is greater than that, we're gonna add 1 to it. Mining plus 1. That way you can mine yeah. Now I gotta adjust those things again, but it should work. Air, 0. Dirt, minimum mining power. Need 2 mining, something mining 2 or more. Grass, 0. No, grass is the same, so 2 on that. Stone, do need 5. Trunk, minimum mining power is 0, because you can break trees with your hands. Leaf, 0. Planks, I think it's 0. You can pick those up with your hands. Crafting table, 0. Sand, 0. Stick, 0. Yeah, so I think, oh yeah, and then we're gonna take 1 away, so 2. We'll try that. Can you break trees? Yes, you can. Great. Look up. Break. Thanks for now. And we make a pickaxe, and then only the pickaxe can you mine the ground. Okay, look at this. Holding the pickaxe, can you mine the ground? Oh, it does work. Oh, that's really fast, actually. Okay. I should probably adjust those values. So you can't just, yeah. Yeah, that's a bit fast. Yeah, that's way too fast. It's a little slow. Yes, it would have to jump that fast. Yeah, I'm just this values quick. So the wooden pickaxe should not have 5 mining. It should have, let's see, what's the minimum stone? Oh, that is the, actually, instead of doing that, we're gonna make it so that it, yeah, what am I saying? I'm going to make it so that it subtracts the minimum mining power from the mining power of the item you're using before it adds 1 and adds that to the breaking items timer, hit timer, as I called it. So if hitting plus mining minus where's that? Block account stats into your chunk. There we go. Yeah, so I'll take this value and chuck it there. Chunk is okay. Manufacture 3 ends previous block. Current. Do I have a current? No. How many times it's used? Okay, so I don't have to. Actually, we're gonna make it just a current block index variable. It could be an index. Current block type. Yeah, so we do actually have that. Where is it again? Instead, we just use current block type. There we go. So then now the pickaxe should not mine so fast. So I'm gonna test that again. Okay, now I have one of each of the 3 types. We're gonna start testing pickaxe. I tested that already, but so it does mine pretty quick, not quite as fast as it did before. But it mines pretty quick. So next thing I'm gonna test, and this is the dirt. Can I mine it? Can. This is gonna be very slow. I do it like this. Okay. Yeah, but it can still mine this very, very quickly. Okay. Next thing to test then is the sword. I don't think either the sword or the shovel should be able to quite make it through this stone. So we'll test that sword. I'm not doing a shovel. So shovel should be able to go through this. I was going pretty decently quick. Sword then. Yeah, it's doing something. Okay, well guys, I think this is where I will leave it for today. We have 3 different items that you can now craft and place, and yeah. So next time, my hope is to make it so that the world is infinitely large. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.